Thank you, sir. I'm dari Pomanto, Makassar. Makassar has Makassar recover how Makassar fight with COVID. We have the three ecosystem. The first is herd immunity. The second is social adaptation, and the third is economic recovery. I would like to know from the Singapore experiences, what is the keyword Singapore experiences learn from the pandemic? We want to know the keyword, adaptive or in Makassar we resetting of many program, social reset, resetting and economic restarting, restart.
I think I can't boil it down to one word. I mean, we can say resilient, adaptive, unity, all that are nice sounding. In the end, I think what was critical was primary care and preventive care. Because by the time people are sick and they are in hospital, it's too late. Hospital overwhelmed, people die. The only way to fight a pandemic like that is preventive, which means testing, vaccination, and hygiene.
Menurut saya ada banyak sekali kata kuncinya, mungkin bisa kita sebut itu resilient atau tangguh atau adaptif, semuanya adalah istilah yang bagus. Tapi pada akhirnya yang paling utama, yang paling penting adalah primary care dan preventive care, yaitu pelayanan prima dan juga pelayanan pencegahan. Karena kalau pasien sudah dibawa ke rumah sakit itu sudah terlalu terlambat dan mungkin bisa menyebabkan kematian. Preventif dalam hal ini melibatkan proses pengujian atau testing, vaksinasi dan juga meningkatkan verifikasi.
You know, human, we are all the same. We like to enjoy. People who smoke, they like to enjoy. They smoke. You tell them how they said. That one worry later. Many years later, I worry about it later. I enjoy. People eat sugar, eat salt. They don't exercise. They want to enjoy. Because the problem comes later.